Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out your zippers for your soft top. When I ordered my desktop windows, my tinted windows, they gave me some of this cleaner and lubricant. So we're just gonna, mine's relatively pretty clean, but I just kind of wanted to show a video of you guys in case yours need cleaning. So we're gonna start out, I'm gonna unzip it here, and I have a brush for detailing. So if I were you, I would get some type of brush and get in here and get any dirt or debris that's inside here to start out with. You need to add this stuff dry. So we'll take this off here. So make sure there's no dust or grime or anything like that there. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to squeeze it onto here. And then I'm just going to run it through this here like that. Just getting it on the teeth here. I'm going to do both sides. This makes it easier if you have a brush like this. I did see they do sell some other stuff that have like a brush built in to the cleaner. But this seems to be pretty nice and easy here. So, yeah, even that's pretty nice. It's a lot better than it was before. It was pretty good. Obviously my soft top's basically brand new, and so are my windows. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you can get yourself a brush, and then it looks like Best Up sells a whole bottle of this. So I don't know if this is the Best Up. This is just what I had. So, but yeah, and also another thing that I probably will do is I'll probably get those soft top extender pull things, because sometimes if the zipper is difficult, it's kind of hard to get some leverage on there to pull it down. So they sell little tabs that you can hook onto here, and then you pull by that, so you have a little more leverage, which is nice. So I'll probably get those. They sell those in like paracord. I'll probably pick up some of that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tip video on how to clean out your zipper. And I would do this, I don't know how often, but you'll get an idea of like if your soft top's kind of getting hard to pull on and off. And maybe, if everything's really dirty, I would take some, I would probably use either ammo lather or something like that to kind of get in here and get any of the dust or debris out of this here, out of the zipper area. Like I said, mine's pretty clean. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tip video on how to lubricate your window zippers so they stay nice, and that way you don't ever have to buy a new soft top. Just keep up on your soft top and your zippers, and they'll last you a lot longer than if you didn't. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.